These little hands? Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Open it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it.
There it goes. Look around in there.
Peekaboo.
Check it out.
See his little hands?
Little hand.
Look how cute. Here, take your hand up here and put your finger in right here, and he'll hold your hand. Look at, see? You hold your hand. Isn't that excellent? Yeah? He'll hold on to you. That's why he gets people to like him. And keep him around.
Oh, he's shaking him.
Yeah.
Are you liking him?
Oh, baby, that's just going to lick him.
Yeah.
Aww.